Hi guys, welcome back to Vibing with Nala and Shauna. It's been a while, I know, but I do hope you've been well and getting things done. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate you guys. Please do leave a message or a comment below. Alright, thank you. Bye. Okay guys, hi again. As I've said in the video before this one, I bought the Appliance Epoxy to try and get my fridge to look a bit better. As you can see, all of these brown spots are basically rust. I used something before. I don't remember what it is called, but I tried something on it before, but I didn't have enough. So it's not looking so good. I'm hoping this will help to let it look, you know, a bit better. This side is not so bad. As I said, I got something before, but I ran out. You probably can see the little patches here. It was rust that was there before, but as I said, the stuff that I got ran out. So this is the before. I'm going to use the spray. I think I'm going to do 2 coats. The front is not too bad. It's really the sides. This side is really horrible. So I'm going to use the spray and see how best it works. Alright. Come on. I want you to hold the phone for me while I do the spraying. Yay! No. So alright, it's already, that top half is already looking much better. I have to do something about right there. I have to be using the up and down motion with the spray so it spreads evenly. That part is a bit runny, so I'll have to smooth it out. But already you can see the difference. Already we can see the difference. So here I go again. So it's working. Yay. Fridge is looking so much better already. OMG guys, I am excited, and that is only the first coat. That is the side that had the most rust on it. Ah, look at my fridge. Yep. It's actually working, so I'm going to let that dry for a bit and then I put another coat over it. Yay! Fridge is looking so much better. Boy, oh, sorry about the lighting, it's very poor. I'm sorry guys. Alright, so this is the before of the other side. I'm going to spray it now and then show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright. You have to shake the bottle vigorously. And as I said, you use like a up-down motion so that the paint spreads evenly. Here we go. Alright, so this one is almost finished. Have to probably start using the second bottle. Yay! up and down. Alright, this one is, I think this one is finished. Alright, here we go again. I'll change the bottle. So this is the second tin of spray. Oh my goodness. This looks so much better already. We have a lot of cleaning up to do, but that's alright. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, the lighting is terrible. Sorry about that, but look at that already. Look at the top half. Still have the bottom to do. And as I said, I need to let it dry for a bit and then I'll go over with the second coat. But when I'm finished, I'll do a video to let you all see what it turns out like. Alright? And yes, guys, so this is day 2 and there you go. That's the finished product. Can never tell that the fridge had rust on it. Look at that. So that is the side that had most of the rust. Look at it, man. My fridge look brand new. Yay. I didn't put much paint on the front, but still it's looking good. And this is the other side. Can't believe how well it turned out. Turned out better than expected. My fridge look brand new. Yay. My fridge looks brand new. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, bye.